Finally guys, the aircon fixed. So I'm gonna show you. This one is an old aircon. They have air fryer guys. For free. So I'm gonna go here. Grabe guys, very dirty this one. So I already clean up everything because I'm gonna go out again, go to visit the mom. Finally, the new one. Thank you, my love.
Wow!
Lalamig na to. I make a winter. So let's go guys. I'm gonna go out after a few minutes.
Balanga po.
So mga kadigma, I'm here now in Balanga. So ayan. Kakain ako doon sa ano guys. I'm gonna eat there. May cheap. May mura po doon na ano. Naganta kami lunch. Gusto ko yung may sabaw. So, may kainan sila guys. Tingnan nyo. Ano kaya yun? Look at that! It's beautiful. Maybe they have event. Wow, very creative. This Balanga, Bataan. You can see to all the digma. Ooh. I'm gonna walk there to Okadigma. Oh my God, I'm really hungry. Gonna go there mga kadigma. There's a restaurant, cheap restaurant. I will eat there. Tinolang manok po dati. Magkano po yung serve? Sige po, isang serve. Then isang rice.
Yummy!
Hello to all Kadima. Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm back. So for today is Thursday, April 17. Guys, I wanted to share with you. This is very freaking excited and I'm happy. So finally, guys, we are waiting too long. We are waiting for over a year for my application. Thank you, Lord. And then we approve. Say yes on my love. We were together pretty soon. So I just like that. So I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Happy yung asawa ko. He is happy. And I can't believe this year. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good. Thank you. Oh my God. I don't know. I don't know my shoes if can survive the walk twist. So ay mga kadigma. So bye for now. Maybe they have events, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of decoration, but very, very hot. So I just sit there for a few minutes and then I will transfer to SM. I sit there. It's too hot, super duper. Maybe 43 degrees Celsius here in Bataan. So I'm here in Balanga because I just checked in Pure Gold. Beside Pure Gold, they are selling for aircon. My aircon is not working anymore. Just like I use for fan, like fan. I feel like I use for electric fan, not aircon. So it's too hot. But the price there, Tol Kadigma, is you have 11,700, you have 8,000, 500, something like that. Understand, because the technician is it's explaining about the second hand. So I'm scared about online to buy. Mga kadigma, it's better you buy brand new than second hand. Depends on, because I buy second hand the other gadget that looks like a brand new, but not 100%. It's better it's brand new. So I swear, guys, if you want to buy aircon, other gadget, it's better brand new. So I'm gonna update you guys. I'm not sure if you buy if you want the price. It's expensive. So now pretty soon I'm gonna walk to SM. It's cold there, so I don't want to stay there longer because just like my nose is like smoking. It's like it's too so ayan guys, bye for now. I'm gonna bring you in the SM. Tol Kadigma. My shoes, it's, I don't know if it is working. Tinetest ko yung aircon. Diyan sa taas. Ano po? Kuya, pwede po pa-testing na po nito?
Kuhanin na po ba na?
Tingnan ko po yung cold niya.
Hoy, pwede ba na? Hoy, Hoy, 0.6 lang po muna.
0.6 lang po ba yan?
Ito 1 hours lang. Ito 11,399. May ano po siya, print.
Ito lang kasi maliit lang nga
Maliit lang po yung...
kwarto. Hindi.
Pwede ba yung 0.6?
Oo, may air. Ano kayang kasing laki yung kwarto? Pa ano daw? Pa sukat.
Ito hanggang 12 square meters kasi ito ma'am, malaki nito. So, dosing tiles ma'am. Tapos 4 na dito. 4 na dose. Malaki na yun ma'am.
One. Okay.
So dito ma'am. Wala dyan. 4.
As in malamig talaga. As in malamig po. Pwede pa testing. Pag ganun,
Diyan mo na testing po.
Ano ba yung ibig sabihin? Buy one, gate one?
Ito kasama po ito.
Ay!
Flyer.
Air fryer?
8499 na po siya.
Taga-bumi po ano yung isang air
Bali freebies to.
Wala sa inyo ano ko?
Hindi ko nababayaran to.
Dito po ba?
Ano? Ano ko to sa vlog eh. Ano may free.
Subang na.
Paano pa testing daw? Kano? Oh, wow, they have a freebies mga kadigman. May air fryer na ako. What the heck? Ayan. Wala ko pa. Mag-hi po kayo. Hello!